Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can hack Cookie Clicker. Probably have heard of Cookie Clicker. It's a game where you keep pressing cookies, gain a lot of cookies, and you can upgrade things and so on and so forth. So obviously the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your browser so you can access Cookie Clickers. So what you want to do, I'm only at 0 cookies now. So what you want to do, you have two ways to do this. You actually have to open the console, and there are two ways to do this. So the first way is to right click and you want to click on inspect. Alright, you want to click on inspect, and it's going to open up this console. So what you want to do is you want to go here to the console section. It's going to direct you to the element section, but you want to go to the console section. And the second way is by typing the keyboard shortcut, and the keyboard shortcut is actually Control Shift J all at once. So you want to type in game.earn. So this is the code that you're going to type in to get infinite cookies. Game.earn, parentheses, there are no spaces here, no space between these, nope, none of that. So you want to type how much, game.earn, parentheses, 9, you can just keep typing 9s. Now I've already typed in the code, so I'm just going to click here. As you can see, you have to write a lot of 9s. There is not a specific amount, but there has to be lots. At least press enter, and you've got infinite cookies already. Look at this. Infinity cookies. Look at the amount of achievements I've got just by typing that code. Look at the amount of upgrades I got over here. I have infinity cookies. I could just upgrade as much as I want. I'm already making like quadrillions of cookies per second. And it's such a easy way to hack the website. This game is the easiest game to hack by far. So thank you so much for watching, and